everybody, Miss Rachel here, and I am going to give you guys a couple of new cool science experiments you can do. This time they are going to be space related experiments, and then talk a little bit about how you can also pair these with our digital resources. So the first one that I want to talk to you about is the sun expanding. So we know the sun is expanding, right? We know this because the sun continues to burn hydrogen into helium in its core, and that makes the core slowly collapse and heat up, and that causes the outer layer of the sun to keep growing larger and larger. So if you want a good visual for this, you can always take just your good old everyday marshmallow, and I have two here just for size comparison. And I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it in my microwave for 30 seconds. And we're going to see what happens. While that's happening, a really great resource for you to talk more about this and explore more about this is Bookflix, which you can access on our website with your library card. It pairs fiction and nonfiction. And the pairings that I think would be really cool with these experiments are Happy Birthday Moon by Frank Ash, paired with The Moon by Melanie Christmer, and also Stars, Stars, Stars by Bob Barner, paired with Looking Through a Telescope by Linda Bullock. So those are some digital resources that you can check out to go along with these experiments. Now let's take a look at my marshmallow. See what happened to it when I put it in the microwave and heated it up? And take a look at the original one. And already it's starting to shrink back down, but it was really, really huge when I got it out of there, right? Now it's just kind of nice and warm and gooey, so you could even eat that too. Another fun and tasty thing you can do to learn about the moon is making your own phases of the moon Oreos, because we all know that the moon looks different, right? Some days it looks really full, some days it just looks like a little crescent, some days it looks almost like you can't see it at all. And so we can talk about why the moon looks different based on the rotation of the moon around the earth, and also where we are on the earth and why that affects how the moon looks. So if you want to come on over, I have created phases of the moon Oreos. This was fun to do and delicious. I just used a toothpick and made my new moon, my waxing crescent, my waxing half, my waxing gibbous, and then my full moon, my waning gibbous, my waning half, and my waning crescent. So that is a fun one and also very tasty because you can eat your results. I also want to give a shout out to starnetlibraries.org, where a lot of these really cool space-based experiments have come from. So hope you guys can try these at home and have a fun and tasty time. Bye!